What's going on, you guys? Today we got another video coming out for you. Excuse the clothes, I did just get off work. Saturday night, busy day at work. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys how to properly wash your car. Like, for example, if you can't wash them at your house, like me, I'm gonna just go down in like steps of how to properly clean your car and what and what not to use as well. I'm gonna show you guys how to properly wash your car. For example, here at the car wash station. Just look how dirty. I haven't washed it in so long. Man, these tires, since they're so much wider, just look at all that dirt. I don't know if this is gonna catch it that well. Yeah, look at that. Just spits up all the dirt right here and everything. Got a freaking spider living in here also. Bird crap. Man. And all these dried up water spots also. As of right now, these are the settings that come in the car wash. But I did just swipe my card. Swipe my card, put it on pre-soak. It's gonna do this light little spray. Just look at all that, man. Gonna do a light little spray. Start gonna foam up, see that? And it's just gonna lift up all the dirt. Comes off. It's gonna lift it all up and make it easier for you to get it off later. End result of this car is just gonna look completely different once I'm done washing it. But this is a brush you want to avoid. Just hear that. Super disgusting. It's not the best brush, I would say. People don't clean them after they finish washing their car. They scrub down the car with it. Don't bother cleaning it off so all the dirt stays on there. And besides that, it does scratch your car, like heavily. So if you use that on your car, just stop right away. You're messing up your car, and that's just horrible. Alright, man. She's all washed off. Got all that nasty dirt off the car. Now I got my handy dandy heavy duty microfiber towel. Gonna give her a quick wipe down. Obviously, not gonna get dry. It's the middle of the night. It's almost midnight, matter of fact. So it's almost impossible to get this thing dry. But I'm gonna get all those big water drops off of the car. And in the morning, I am gonna give it a light detail. Just keep it well protected as well. Alright, man, there she is. All cleaned up. No more dirt. I'm gonna wipe off the wheels. Gonna give those a quick detail in the morning, as well as the whole car. But man, just look at her. No more bird crap. There is those hard watermarks that stayed on the car. Hopefully the light little detail I give it in the morning will take it off, but then again, I can go further into the detailing, just I don't want to do it tomorrow. But man, there she is. Looks so much better. There's no more dirt. Freaking solid, man. But yeah, if you're trying to wash your car, like here, just in a car wash station, this is how you do it. This is the way you want to do it as well. Avoid using that brush. That brush is the devil. It'll mess up your paint heavily. But anyways, just gonna go home. It's almost, let's see, it's almost midnight, and I'm here washing my car on a Saturday night instead of going out. But yeah, gonna see you guys in the morning, and give you guys a quick little preview of how to do a light little detail on your car as well. Peace out, you guys. Alright, man, it's now the next day, and we're gonna give my car a little detail. For detailing, just gonna give it, like I said, a quick detail. But we're gonna use Chemical Guys Speed Wipe, spray gloss, and quick detailer. And we're gonna apply some tire shine from Chemical Guys as well onto the car. It's just gonna, tire shine is just gonna make the tire shine, quote unquote, the name. And it's just gonna look a lot better. And speed wipe is gonna give that car the glossy look that you want once it's clean. So what you want to do is get your little microfiber towel, gonna do the quick detailer spray onto the whole car, and then afterwards gonna do Chemical Guys tire shine onto the car as well. Like I said, microfiber for the car. And then there's this little foam type of thing that you can get. I bought it at, I'm sure Chemical Guys sells this product as well, but it's inexpensive, and it applies the tire shine onto the car very, very well. So I highly recommend this stuff. If I find all this stuff on the Chemical Guys website, I'll drop it down, link below. But yeah, here, let me show you guys how well the car held up throughout the night. Look at the difference. Luckily, there's no trees or anything here anymore, so no spray or no debris falling down from above. Tires are clean. Gonna apply some quick detailer onto there. She just looks really, really good right now. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, apply the quick detailer onto the car, and we're gonna go ahead with that. This is a video how to properly wash your car when you don't have access to it at your house. Like for me, I live in an apartment complex. No possible way to wash my car really here, so I have to go to a local car wash station. And like me, if you wash it there, this is how to properly wash your car and also give it a quick little detail to give it that mirror finish that you want. If you follow these steps, you'll make your car look like this. Get that mirror finish you want. But if you don't follow me, gonna have your car looking like this. Anyways, yeah, just follow these quick little steps. I'm gonna add some little details that I should have added throughout the video to give you guys a better idea of how to do it properly. But anyways, that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys again for tuning into Spin City. If you like this video, drop a like in the comments, hit that bell notification as well, so when we post something gangster, you guys are the first ones to know. Peace out, you guys.